Well, it looks like it's time for yet another
Kids Korner!
And we figured out last month that what are we going to be making?
A soda machine! Alright, we will be using straws, hot glue sticks and hot glue gun, cups, tools, string, and a pen and paper. To start, we are going to need to melt holes in the bottom of our cups.
You definitely need adult supervision with anything sharp or hot.
Water, other, soda.
I'll have a glass of other, please.
Oh, looks like we sprung a leak. Oh, there's a small leak. We're doing a real test now. Are there any leaks?
Little drip.
A little hot glue.
Okay.
Let it drain.
Here goes. Woo!
That's so cool!
We need something to plug it to control when the liquid comes out. The string was a little too large, so we had to switch strings.
Okay.
It goes through this hole in the cup. It's a very thin hole, so. Knot number 1, yay! 3 knots in total. That's what worked.
Okay.
When you pull on it, it floats.
All right. Aren't holes in the cups going to be leaky?
Yeah, which is why we're gonna plug them with hot glue.
Hang on a second. Okay, all right, hot glue.
And you put it over the nut that you made
Okay.
and pull down. So you put the
All
little
right.
cup inside of the big cup.
Big cups, little
It'll
cups,
just
one of
settle-
each. Wait. What's going on with your shirt?
I've been wearing the same shirt this entire time.
Okay.
Take it out.
So that releases whatever's in the cup to come down the tube. What's this step?
We are outlining these cups to tell where they're gonna be.
Okay, so you got to fit the 3 big cups to the width of the small box.
Yep. We want it to go slightly down so that the liquid flows. Straws are going to come out here, here, and here.
You could measure out soda just with what you've got now, right?
We're going to get even fancier. Now we're going to test it with water.
Oh, look at that! Can you get it to stop? I think we need a bigger cup. Wait a second. Is that it? What else do we need to do?
Did your shirt change?
I can't believe you're asking me that. Come on, tell me what's happening here.
Next step is to pour in the drinks.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Okay, I'm ready.
It's a piece of cardboard.
Ew.
Is it stopping?
Wait.
This is soda pop. This is going to be interesting.
It's working.
It's coming out.
That's about good.
Not bad.
It seems to not stop though.
It's running on fizz power.
Cheers.
Well
What?
done.
Oh, whoa, it's really going now.
Shake up!
Soda machine.
Soda works.
Well done. Do try this at home. If there is zero overflow staining the towel underneath the box, I will spin the wheel of woe.
We definitely got a wheel of woe to... Nice. Okay.
Well, I had a lot of fun with that one. And this turned out to be one of the delicious kids' corners. What do you guys think?
Yummy.
Yum!
All right. Well, very, very good job, Z. Z. Where'd it go? Well, anyway, yeah, it's his project that we were enjoying here on Kids Corner. But yeah,
Seriously, where is he?
yeah, where is he? Have you seen him?